Alright guys, 2021 Nissan Titan. Oh, rear diff. We're going to drain and fill it. This is gear oil. It's 75W85. So the first thing we got is this guy up here. That is going to be your fill 2 level. That's where you fill it up at. We're going to take this out first, because without that being out, it'll be a bunch of air bubbles and it'll glug, glug, glug out the bottom. Take this out. Boom. There's a little bit of metal on that. Nothing crazy. We'll clean that off before it goes back in. Then we're going to take this bottom one out. You're going to have metal shavings. There's going to be metal shavings. You know, this thing's got 60 or 70,000 miles on it, something like that. There's going to be metal shavings. What you don't want is big chunks of metal. Big chunks of metal are, oh no. Oh, come on. Don't really give you nothing to grab a hold of on that, do they? There we go. Getting something out. Get this moved back a little bit. There we go. Oh shit. All right. And again, just mud. Oh, there's a chunk. You don't want that. We don't want chunks. Those are no bueno. I think that's probably dirt. Yeah. All right, we're lucky. That's dirt. Or mud or something. But it's metal, but it's not big metal chunks. It just was hardened. But all this will clean off before we put back in. Yeah, all right. Now let that drizzle for a second. A little bath. I'm gonna grab our 75W80. This is actually 75W90. But close enough. It ain't gonna hurt enough. All right. Let me get that out. We're gonna go ahead, put the bottom one back in. Yeah, nice and tight. All right, and then we're gonna pump this until the fluid starts running out of it. I believe it's 2 quarts. I'll put the gear oil in the description below. They got the quart bottles with a nipple. You just squeeze them until it fucking comes out of the tip of it. It's like a little cone tip on it. But they also have little hand pumps that you can put on the quart bottle and just hand pump it out. And those actually are a little bit nicer, get a little bit more of the fluid, less waste, you know. There it is. All right, now we're gonna pull this guy out. Put this bolt in up top. Nice, clean, fresh oil in there. That's nice and tightened down. Minus a rag. Give everything a good wipe off. Get it nice and clean there. All right, guys. this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Put the gear oil in the description below. Just click the link. Peace.